All right, here we are for hey, Math Bunny. I thought we got rid of this the last time.
I love my little bunny.
Oh, I hear ya. All right, you guys are glad you're here with us for more fun with our volume. All right, so today we have our complex figures. So we're going to be looking at how we can break those apart to find the volume of the complete shape. Okay?
So we have this complex prism right here, and it says Bethany has a raised garden bed. The diagram shows its measurements. All the corners are right angles. That's important to know, so everything's all like square and rectangular, and we can multiply it. If she fills the bed to the top with soil, how many cubic feet of soil will Bethany need? And this is like real life.
It is. I did this in my yard last year.
Yeah. So this is a good thing to know how to do because I'm going to have a bed like this soon, and I'm going to need to find out how much soil I need.
There we go. Okay.
So, gosh, I'm looking at this shape, and I see it's 2 feet high.
Uh-huh.
This part is 6 feet wide. This part is also 6 feet wide, or long, I'm sorry, long. And then we've got 4 feet wide here and 6 feet wide here. So we need to figure out how we would like to break this apart. And I think I just kind of like the idea of breaking it apart right along here.
That sounds great because we can absolutely do that. We could have broken apart other places too, but hey, this one works for me. Hopefully it works for you. So let's think about what we know.
I'm going to label these A and B
so
it's easier for us to talk about with you.
Absolutely. So let's start with A.
All right.
Okay.
So we just need to find the volume here.
So we know we do that by multiplying the length times the width times the height. There we go.
So we have a length of 6 feet
Uh-huh.
times a width of 4 feet times a height of 2 feet.
Awesome.
I know how to multiply that. We've got 6 times 4, which
24.
is 24 times 2. Well, I can do that. I can do 20 times 2 is 40. 4 times 2 is 8, so I got
48.
48.
There we go. Perfect. Cubic feet. So now as we start to look at prism B, we have to figure out what we know, okay? Because there's something that might be missing here, okay? Because I'm going to use this 6, right?
Yeah, that's our width here.
Right, so I definitely have that. And we know our height, right? Because if it's 2 here, it's 2 here.
Yeah, because I wouldn't ever make a garden bed that's like crooked.
No, because...
So it's going to be 2 feet high.
Absolutely.
And then our length is... we don't have just a length, but...
But we can figure it out.
We can figure it out. Well, this, half of it is 6 feet.
Mm-hmm.
But it only goes to here.
Right.
But wait, we know the length of this is also 6 feet.
Right, so that's heading all the way back there too.
So 6 plus 6 is
12.
This has a length of 12 feet.
Okay. So even though that dimension wasn't there, what we do know, if this came all the way out or both of those went back, right, we would get that dimension of 12. So it's being able to visualize those parts when we're looking at these complex figures. Good, so then we just have to multiply.
We've got a length of 12.
Yep.
A width of 6 times
our height of 2. Awesome. Good. So then we just have 12 times 6 is 72.
Times 2.
All right. Ooh, that seems big. But it's not that big, right?
I don't think it is.
Because we can do 70 times 2, because that's just 7 times 2.
And that would be 140.
Exactly.
Plus
2 times 2.
Which is
4.
So we've got 144.
Cubic feet. Okay.
And now
we have one more step.
That's add them together.
Exactly.
So I've got 144 and 48.
Nice. When we add those together, we're going to get the total volume of that big planter bed.
So I added together 8 and 4, got 12. Regrouped the one in my head. 8 and 1 is 9, and then one more is 192 cubic
feet. Oh, awesome.
We did it.
So it wasn't as bad as it looked because we can just break those apart into different rectangular prisms. And you guys already know how to find the volume of a rectangular prism.
That part was easy.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's take a look at page 44. Okay. Now 44 is just going through exactly what we just did, but showing it to you in a couple of different ways. Now we broke it apart here, but they're also showing us, hey, guess what? You could have broken it apart there. So either way, it created two rectangular prisms.
Now, the one thing we have to note about breaking it here is we have to then look at the sides and see that we've got 4 feet as a width and 6 feet as a width. 6 plus 4 would be 10.
Okay.
So this is, whoops.
Whoa, that was tricky. So that's showing us where we got that other dimension. Okay, so again, it's being able to visualize how one side can meet up with the other, okay, to get that entire length. Okay, so as you look at this one, this is how we went about doing it. Okay, but this was that other option for being able to look at it. So we can see the total volume. Here's one prism, here's the other, and then they're just added together.
Yep. So it's just find one part, find the other part, add them together to get the total volume.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake. All right, we'll see you for video number. Oh wait, should we tell
Oh, we
you?
should.
We should tell you. This was pages 43 and 44.
We're skipping 45 and 46.
Oh, but we didn't put them here.
I didn't put them in this time. If you were with us the last time, I did, and I put an X through them. So this time there's imaginary X's because we just went, forget it. So skip 45 and 46.
And if you watch video 3, we'll do 47 and 48 with you.
Awesome.
See you then.